appoint a public defender to represent you only for this hearing. That means the public defender doesn't represent you all throughout this in your case, but at least for this hearing, they're going to represent you. I'll certainly listen to some of the things they have to say. Maybe all of them, I don't know, it depends. What I've done is I've read all the police reports. I have to make a legal determination to figure out if there's probable cause to hold you. I will let you know if I do find probable cause, and I'll tell you what your bond is. I have pretrial services in here with me. If they want you to take you into their program and let you out on pretrial, they'll stand up and let me know. So please don't everybody say, will pretrial take me, will pretrial take me. They've done their research. During this morning, there was a couple of people who needed verification. So if you think they're trying to verify something, let me know and I'll ask them. But everybody's not going to ask for pretrial services, please. If it's a misdemeanor, we may be able to work the case out. Depends on the nature of the case. All the felonies, though, there's not going to be anything worked out. First person up is Olivia Mello.
She's here present, Maine judge. She declined the services of public defender.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Mello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You're charged in count 1 with the DUI, and count 2 was a DUI above a .15. I do find probable cause. Your bond on count 1 is $500. Your bond on count 2 is $1,000. So you can bond out for $1,500. Okay? Good luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Elizabeth Renee Wisher.
North Broward judge.
Hi, Miss Wisher.
Hi.
You're charged in count 1 with driving while your license suspended as a habitual. I do not find probable cause on that charge. There's nothing in the probable cause affidavit to tell me other than the officer says she's a habitual offender, doesn't say anything else. That's not enough, so I'll give the state 48 hours to perfect. I find no probable cause. Your bond is still going to be $750, miss, but you can bond out for that amount. If they don't perfect it within 48 hours, you'll be ROR'd. Okay? All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Jessica Dennis. Hi, Ms. Dennis. You're charged in count 1 with a violation of probation that's based on a warrant from Judge Siegel. I find probable cause. There's a no bond hold. You're going to see Judge Siegel on Wednesday at 8:30 on June 7th. Okay? Good luck to you. Gail White. Sorry. Hi, Ms. White. You're charged in count 1, resisting a police officer without violence. Count 2, probation or community control violation. I find probable cause. Your bond on count 1 is $100. There's a no bond hold on you on that violation of probation. I can't tell which judge it is.
Rob Shaw.
Okay, you'll see him on Wednesday, June 7th at 8:30 a.m. All right? Benjamin Blake Masters. Hi, Mr. Masters. You're charged in count 1 with a petty theft. I find probable cause. Your bond is $25. You can bond out for that amount. If you want to enter a plea, it would be an adjudication in 3 days. $50 cost of prosecution, 180 days to pay, or you can bond out. What would you like to do?
I'd like to request ROR first, if I can, and then my boss has been trying to bond me out since this morning, said the electronic system wasn't working, but I was cooperative with police, if you read the police report, and with Publix, and I'd really like to request about ROR. Okay. You can bond out for $25, sir. All right? I'm sure they'll fix that system. Ryan Mitchell Burgeon.
Sir.
Is it Burgeon? Is that how you say it?
Bergen, sir.
Bergen, how are you?
Wonderful, sir.
You're charged at count 1 with a capias on a traffic charge, another capias on another traffic charge. It looks like it's the same case. Your bond is $500 count 1, $50 on count 2. It looks like it's a driving while license suspended. Let me look at your driving record, sir.
Not a habitual, sir. I had amputations at the time.
Sir, please don't talk about the fact. Can you hold on a second? I'll tell you why I'm looking at your driving record. if you get 3 driving while license suspended, you lose your license for 5 years.
No, sir.
No, I'm just saying if you did. I didn't say you did. If you did.
Okay, sir.
It looks like you just got a 893 suspension for a controlled substance. Is that the same one? Do you have his driving record at all? I don't. Okay. Hold on. Sir, I think this is going to cause you a problem if I give you a plea offer. It's best if I don't, okay? You can bond out for $550. I don't want to mess you up with your driver's license.
What's the plea officer?
I don't have a plea offer. All right, you
Okay.
can bond out.
Can I say something, sir?
Of course.
At the time of court, I had amputations. I sent the judge all the hospital paperwork and everything. That's why I missed court. I had amputations on my left foot. I sent all the paperwork into the courts. The court said they were going to give me a new court date. I went and I even showed up at court, and they said court was canceled the day they gave me. Judge Joe Levy said court's canceled.
What courthouse was that?
North Broward Courthouse.
Okay. Can anybody check on that at all? Just look at it. It's not that I don't believe you, sir. It's that I have to check it before I do anything.
Absolutely.
Failure to appear on 12/12.
No show walking in work.
Is anything ever canceled in there? Like they changed
Oh,
it?
Your Honor, it looks like on 1/13/2017, court date notice was mailed, and then it says here, February 2nd, 2017, hearing defense motion to withdraw capias. But it says capias remains, that's all it shows.
Maybe he didn't show up.
Because he
Okay.
didn't show.
Has he got priors? Anybody check him?
I can.
Where do you live, sir?
I live with my mother in Pompano Beach, Florida, sir.
What's the address?
2540 Southeast 3rd Street, Pompano Beach, Florida, 33062.
Is that a house or an apartment or what?
That is a house, sir.
Okay. State, do you have anything you want to ask or object? I'm considering allowing them to ROR.
We're looking at his priors.
Okay.
Looks like he's got
He had a failed
he was on
false report.
probation for robbery. He's got some drug cases. A couple of violations of probation.
All right, sir. I'm going to set your bond on the first to drive my license suspended at $100. I'll ROR you on count 2. You can bond out for $100.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Those priors are years ago. I've already served my.
Somehow they still follow you around, believe it or not.
Yeah,
All right. They do.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Sound like credit reports. They leave after 7 years. Jonathan Edward Mayo. Mr. Mayo, these are additional counts. It means you already have some. Count 21 is burglary of an occupied structure unarmed. Count 22 is grand theft, over 300, less than 5,000. Count 23 is dealing in stolen property. Count 24 is false owner of information pawned items, $300 or more. I find probable cause. I'm going to set your bond on count 21 at $1,000, on 22 at $1,000, $3,500 on count 23, and $3,500 on count 24. That's an additional $9,000 on whatever your bond is already. All right, good luck to you. Miguel Santiago.
Mr. Santiago?
Mr. Santiago, you're charged in count 1, driving while your license suspended as a habitual offender and disobeying a flashing signal. I find probable cause. Your bond is $750, sir. You can bond out for that amount. Okay?
All right. Am I qualified for pre-trial?
Did you check them out? I'm sorry? It says that you have an extensive record, sir, so no. You're not entitled to it. John Howard Gabler.
Mr. Gable is here present, Judge Amain.
Mr. Gabler, you're charged in count 1, possession of cocaine, count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia. I find probable cause. Your bond is $1,000 on count 1. You can bond out for that amount. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Malcolm Allen Goodwin.
Mr. Goodwin?
Mr. Goodwin, you're charged with a violation of probation. I find probable cause based on the warrant. That's in front of Judge Jeffrey Cohen. You're going to see Judge Cohen on Wednesday, June 7th at 9:45 a.m. Good luck to you.
Thank you, guys.
Bruce Neil Strickland.
Mr. Strickland coming up?
Hi, Mr. Strickland. You got a burglary of an unoccupied conveyance unarmed. That's based on a warrant from Judge Hames. I find probable cause. It's a no bond hold.
He's entitled to a bond.
Hold on. I see no bond.
It's a not in custody case, yes, Judge?
Okay, hold on one at a time. I'll listen back to you. Your other public defender colleague is in here talking. Yes.
Sometimes they'll put them into no bond hold until they appear in magistrate court. Once they come to magistrate court, for the magistrate to set a bond.
Okay.
And I do have it set on my docket, showing that it's set for a hearing.
What kind of hearing?
It's
Bond hearing, in other words, to set bond. There are certain charges now. It's not like the old days that everything is deemed.
Right. Proof, evident, presumption, great? Is that what we're talking about?
no.
Well, I don't know. A burglary with an assault or battery, isn't that a first degree punishable by life?
This is a burglary conveyance.
Oh, I'm only reading the little thing on the probable cause says burglary with assault or battery. Okay. All right. Let me put it on recall. We'll call you back up. We'll have the hearing. Terry Joshua Gaskin.
Mr. Gaskin declared
Mike.
service to public safety.
All right. How you doing, Mr. Gaskin?
All right.
You charge in count 1, grand theft of a firearm. Count 2, carrying a concealed firearm. Count 3, possession of cannabis less than 20 grams. I find probable cause. Your bond on count 1 is $1,000. Your bond on count 2 is $1,000. Your bond on count 3 is $100. You can bond out for $2,100. All right? Good luck to you.
All right.
Desmond Gerard Gilbert.
Mr. Gilbert, come on up, please.
Mr. Gilbert, you charge in count 1, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill. Count 2, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill. Count 3, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill. Count 4, neglect or child neglect with a great bodily harm. I find probable cause. I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $5,000. Your bond on count 2 at $5,000. Your bond on count 3 is $5,000. Your bond on count 4 is $5,000. Your bond is $20,000. You're to have no victim contact, sir. You can bond out for $20,000. Misael Jeffrey Concepcion.
Mr. Concepcion?
Yes. You got to speak up a little bit. I don't know what all that noise is.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Judge, I would make a probable cause objection. I didn't see
On
anywhere
which
that
count?
the drugs were tested. It looks like the possession of delivery of cannabis.
Who? Which case are we talking about?
Concepcion.
Concepcion.
Oh, okay. Can I have that back? I was past that already. Oh, wait. No, it's right here. I'm sorry. You said there was no testing?
I didn't see it.
Okay, hold on. I thought I saw it, but State?
It's fine, Judge.
All right, 48 hours to perfect. Your lawyer's right, sir. My bad. I find no probable cause on count 1, 48 hours to perfect. Your bond is still 1,000. I already did that one. Titus Lamont Blackman.
Mr. Blackman's here, present, Judge Maine.
How you doing, Mr. Blackman? You're charging count. I'm good. You're charging count 1 burglary of an unoccupied conveyance while unarmed. I find probable cause. I'm setting your bond at $5,000, sir. You can bond out for that amount. Let's bring Mr. Is it Mr. Strickland back up, please?
Oh, Mr. Strickland, come on.
Okay, it looks like he was arrested in Houston. I got a arrest information, place of arrest, Houston County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah.
Okay. State, do you want to be heard on a bond?
$1,000 is probably standard, Judge.
Defense, any objection to that?
Judge, I would just defer to my counsel in the jail.
Judge, and
Yes, sir.
Mr. Strickland, we have no objection to $1,000 bond.
What's your objection?
No, we have no objection.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you said you have an objection. Okay. All right, I'll set his bond at $1,000 on Mr. Bruce Neal Strickland.
Thank you, sir.
From Dothan, Alabama. Houston County is in Dothan,
Oh,
Alabama.
Houston County, okay. Your name, sir?
Stephen Murray.
That's all right. I'll check in Odyssey. Yes.
Do I not have one
Thanks.
for him?
Is Strickland
2, we don't have
extradition
paperwork for?
case?
No. They probably extradited him from there to bring him over here.
Well, how am I supposed to make a probable cause determination without any paperwork? What's your name again?
Stephen Marr, M-A-H-E-R.
Okay.
Let me see. Is there a case number? I can probably print it
I don't
out.
have him.
Case number 1501.
We don't have it. We can't find his name on anything.
Can I see this?
I don't have any paperwork.
Mayor?
We don't have any paperwork
Oh.
on that.
Stephen Mayer.
Do you guys have a probable cause affidavit?
No,
He's in here on violation of probation. That's all I have is a violation of probation.
I don't have nothing on him.
Let me see what you got. Let me see your docket.
It's a BOP, no bond.
Why is this already stamped magistrate hearing held, probable cause found? Oh. All right, Mr. Marr, I'm going to read this. Give me 1 second, okay?
Are we okay on Strickland? I mean, is there no problem with giving him $1,000 bond? Or?
Okay. Mr. Maher, you're here on a violation of probation. I'm looking at the warrant now. And it's a no bond hold that was signed on November 28th of 2016. So you're going to see Judge Singal. You're going to see Judge Singal on that on Thursday. No. Yes, Thursday at 8:30 a.m., okay? He'll be able to give you more info. And David Trainer.
Mr. Trainer? Oh, Judge, he was released.
Okay. All right. Hey, how are you? So where is everybody else? Are they at the other court,
So they-
other
this
jails?
one? $1,000 bond?
Not who?
We have one more gentleman at Maine, but he's on your 30-day ROR motion.
What's his name?
Mr. Jamil Houston, Judge.
Come on up, Mr. Houston.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Now, the public defender's office represents him is Jeremy Michelson? Okay. Motion for ROR is just to see whether the charges have been filed?
Yes, Your Honor, has been filed. It has been filed.
Okay. Do I just go by your word, or I don't know? I don't know what, you know.
You do.
No, because I've had prosecutors say something's been filed, and I found out they didn't file it.
Well,
Same for
she's not even a
PDs.
prosecutor, Judge.
I understand.
She works for the state of Florida.
I understand. But you are looking at something that's been
Yes,
filed?
yes,
That
sir.
I understand.
Yes,
You're looking at
yes,
it.
yes.
Okay.
I'm not gonna just say it.
No. I'm just checking because
Yeah.
I haven't done this before.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay? It's just like when the officer writes he's a habitual offender. Well, you got to write more than that. I don't know that what you're saying is true. All right. So I'll respectfully deny the motion for ROR at this time.
Yes, Judge.
Case has been filed. Okay. Then I'll go by the docket, I guess. And now if she tells me it's been filed, I know she's looking at it. Versace Burgess.
There's two of them.
That's North Broward, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good. You're here on 2 charges, sir. Grand theft of a firearm, carrying a concealed firearm. And then you're here on a possession of ammo with a gang. I've never even seen that charge. Gang felony delinquent, is that what it stands for?
Them charges have been dropped.
Well, you got 2 of those. I'll ask the state. State, have they been filed?
The 5194 has been filed. I'm checking on the other one, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh. 5130? So how do you, what? I guess so both of them same. Both of them has been filed. 5130, I see 51, yeah, but I understand. But I see both of them filed. 5194 just consolidated. But to write into it, since there's case number, we have to tell them both. Yes, Your Honor, both been filed.
He's saying it's been dropped.
No, it's not been dropped. I'm looking at Odyssey.
Give me 1 second. I'll get to you. Hold on. I'm writing something else on another case.
Tara Horvitz case.
Oh,
That's the one that they
she,
were waiting.
Okay. State as to Versace Burgess 175130 CF10. Has the charges been filed?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll respectfully deny the motion for an ROR based on the rule. I'll set your bond on count 1 at $5,000, bond on count 2 at $1,000. As to case number 175194 CF10, has the charge been filed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'll respectfully deny the motion for ROR. That's a first-degree felony. Do we even know the name of the charge? I'm looking at the... You've seen it before, right, miss? Because it's got a bunch of...
The possession of the, which one are you talking about? The possession of a weapon?
Weapon ammo gang felony delinquent, is that what it stands for?
It's probably or.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably, I don't know if he's a member of
Okay.
a gang or a
Correct.
convicted felon or whether
Okay.
it's a weapon or it's a bullet.
Okay, but is it a first-degree felony? It says F1.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm going to set your bond at $10,000 on count 1, $10,000 on count 2 on that charge. All right, your bond is $26,000.
If I can just ask you, was there a quantity DC set? Because the only thing
Oh, really? I didn't know because I just signed on one of those. I had to put in the bond amounts because I was handed an order. It had to put the bond amounts. If there was one, I'll leave it as it was, but I don't know.
Usually there is.
Yeah, there was a previous bond
What were the bonds?
for the Grand Theft Auto firearm.
Tara gonna get mad if we ROR case, 'cause it's not been filed.
For the possession of a
Can't,
electronic
yeah.
weapon
And he's not
device.
going for it.
Wait a minute. Is that count 2 of that case? Carrying a concealed firearm?
Well,
See what it,
the case was consolidated, Judge. It was that 5194 CF10A case has been consolidated with the 5130.
So it's only one case now.
Correct.
Can you tell me the counts and what the amounts were?
Only 2 counts now.
Okay.
The Grand Theft Auto firearm, 3500 and the possession of
All right, sir. The charges they ended up filing, I know you think they've been dropped, but they've been consolidated, and there's only 2 charges now instead of 4. And I do find probable cause. Your bond is $3,500 on count 1, $3,500 on count 2. You can buy now for $7,000. All right, but they have not been dropped. They actually filed them. You thought they might have been dropped, but they filed them. They had 30 days to file it. All right.
For me to get a bond reduction?
You have to go see your judge in that division. All right? Good luck to you. Why don't we do this? Why don't you do me a favor? Can you write it down for her, and we'll just pass it over, and we'll do it. Okay? Odalis Fernandez. Miss, could I help you? Did we miss something?
I was in here for somebody, but you just talked about his case.
Did he see you? You could have told me. You could have come up. I didn't know. Have we still got that gentleman here, Mr. Burgess?
Yes, I do.
Can you just bring him in for a second?
I wasn't here to speak for him. I was here to.
Well, let's let him know you're here at least. Hey, Mr. Burgess, somebody was here for you I did not know. Okay, because she was here, but she didn't stand up. What's your name, miss?
Tiana Jones.
Okay. So you understood the bond is going to be $7,000? Okay.
Thank
All right. Just wanted to let you know she showed up for you, sir. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Ms. Fernandez is down at the courthouse, Judge. She's down at the downtown.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank you.
Who's that? Which one is this?
Dallas Fernandez, don't worry.
Oh,
They
so-
haven't- they haven't
Miss
called.
Fernandez, I would have repeated it for you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sorry.
For the record.
Yes.
Rodson Dorjean.
That's mine.
It's not filed, you said.
Not fine.
Mr. Dorjean.
Good afternoon, Judge.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Sir, you're here on a motion for a release on your own recognizance to see if the state has filed the charges. State, have you filed the charges?
No, Judge.
Okay, I'm going to ROR you on case number 175144 CF10A.
Thank you, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
All right.
Jamil Houston, we did, right? Okay, Amber Wright.
North Broward, Your
She
Honor.
wants to bring an intern to come and watch for a little. We're done.
Amber Wright. Good morning, miss.
She wants to.
Miss Wright, you're here on a motion for ROR on a possession of cocaine and obstructing as a pedestrian. State, have you filed the charges?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to ROR you on case number 175168 CF10.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
The only thing is that Laura.
Dallas Gomez.
I am.
Was there another Odalis?
17, 53, 13.
William Lurcock.
Conti, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Actually, it's afternoon. My bad. Are you Mr. Lurcock?
Yes, I am, sir.
Sir, you're here on a motion for ROR to release you. State, have you filed the charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, the cases, the charges have been filed, sir. Your bond on count 1 is...
Oh, 1 second. 1 moment. 1 moment, Your Honor. Sorry.
Okay.
I put the wrong case number on. It's not. I got too excited. Hold on. 5315. Yeah. Grant. No, it's not.
It should be filed in 5 minutes, Judge.
Like horseshoes.
That's what they told us. It's not.
Okay. All right, Mr. Lurcock, I'm going to ROR you on case number 175315 CF10A. On all counts. Okay.
Thank you, Your
Good luck to you, sir. Now I got second looks. Is that what it is they call?
Was there what you called Odalis Gomez?
They said she was down here already, but the
Fernandez.
charges have been filed.
That was Fernandez.
Fernandez. Yes.
There's more than one O'Dallas?
Odell Fernandez. They said it was in regular down here in court. They said.
There's also on page 4 of the bottom, there's Odalis Gomez.
That's one of her aliases.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I thought I only saw one O'Dallas.
Me
So
too.
It's a Fernandez and a Gomez, but the Gomez is
the same person. Are there two case numbers for that though? I only have. Oh, you're right. Page 2 and page 4. She's down here on both.
Okay.
Thing?
The case number that's filed.
I kept thinking I only saw one O'Dallas, and then I looked, and it was another O'Dallas. It's two different charges, though. All right, let's start again. Let me know when you're ready, State.
Okay. The on Fernandez.
O'Dallas Fernandez,
Fernandez.
174405. Have the charges been filed?
No, Your Honor, not that one.
All right, I'm going to ROR
On that case.
on case number 174405 CF10A. The other case, which is going to be O'Dallas Gomez, charges been filed?
Yeah, on the 5249.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, it's been filed.
All right. So her bond will be set on that. Do we know what the bond is?
the burglary.
The 5249 one.
Yeah, that count 5 is 300, and the criminal mischief is 500.
300 on a felony?
Sounds weird. Should be 1,000.
And the other one's a felony too.
5249.
I'm going to set it at $1,000. On O'Dallas Gomez, 175249 CF10 count 1, the burglary, unoccupied dwelling is $1,500 on the criminal mischief.
Yeah, and I don't know what happened prior to magistrate court, but they originally said it was 300.
Well, do we know? Do we know what happened? I'm going to take your word that it goes that way. I'll leave it at 300. Something must have been discussed. Yes, and 500 for count 2. The other case is ROR. See, I don't know how that would end up that way, so I'll take your word for it. Okay. 500. Sorry. Now, these second looks, is that what they're called? There's only one guy? Arthur Mitchell?
North Broward, Your Honor.
How you doing, Mr. Mitchell?
I'm good, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Good.
We got 2 trespassing cases here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look like one happened on March 24th, and the other one happened on March 25th.
Yes, sir.
You've been in here for 50 days?
Yes, sir.
No, that's not the there's
His prior
No, that was the Fernandez guy.
record state? Anything we know? Or you have a recommendation?
He does. Oh, these are cities. I don't have
Okay.
any jurisdiction.
All right. Sir, you want to enter a time served on each of these?
Please, sir.
It would be an adjudication, time served, $50 cost of prosecution, but I'd give you 180 days to pay that.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
Wait a minute. Do you understand all the rights on both of these cases?
Yes, sir.
You willing to give up all those rights?
Yes, sir.
And what do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest as to both cases?
No contest.
I'll accept your pleas. On case number 172003 MO40A, count 1, I'll adjudicate you guilty, time served, $50 cost of prosecution, 180 days to pay. Case number 172029 MO40, count 1, I'll adjudicate you guilty, time served, $50 cost of prosecution, 180 days to pay. I'm ordering you not to go back to those places, sir. If you go back there, I promise you the police will be looking for you, and they'll bring you right back here again for another stay.
Yes, sir.
All right? Stay away. All right.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it? All right. Thank you all.
Thank you.
How do I turn system off?
Check, do me a favor, and on, what was his